So today we're going to be displaying this amount of colors on an RGB LED. Although we can also display this amount of colors, but that take around like 50 hours to display every single color. So we're going for smaller amount which takes around 23 minutes. So let's see how it's done. So basically what we've got here is an Arduino Uno connected to a power source over here, and there's an RGB LED which obviously is needed for the light, and the ground is connected to the ground. There's also a 220 ohm resistor because like LED can't handle that much power, and then the R red is connected to 9, green is connected to 10, and blue is connected to 11. So it has to be PWM pins so that it can change the brightness. And so we've got the code over here. So over here there are the three pins RGB, then pin mode we set them to output, and there's also a serial over here. So now right now the code is running. We have said this is a value. Basically this is how much you change the color by, like the brightness. So we'll get to that. So over here we just have three nested for loops. So basically what happens is that uh, it runs through all the blues, then it turns on green ones, and then runs through all the blues, and like that there's like more than 16 million different colors it can display. So this is the blues, these are the greens, and these are the reds. So it slowly increases and it changes the color. So after it's all done, there's like this just huge delay. That's all. Basically the value over here is how much the color changes by. So if I increase the value, for example 10, and send it to the Arduino. Yep. So now the values are increasing much faster, and this is also uh, important, since if you set it to like a very low number like 1, then it'll take like 5 hours to display all the colors. But if you set it to a higher number, it won't display every single color. And even if you set it to a low number like 1, it's hard to differentiate when you actually see the colors yourself. So like a number like 5, 10, or 15 is good enough. You don't have to set it to 1.